Hello everybody, once again I'm Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and this is a Z07 track package 2017 Grand Sport Coupe. Check it out, let's break it down. So starting off, of course, the color is Watkins Glen Gray with the black with blue interior. And you're gonna say, blue interior? I'll get to it, we're gonna get to it. So up front, you can see chrome badge package, and of course we have the front curve view cameras. I know the front splitter is not in best shape. We actually just got this car in. That will be replaced. So as we make our way around, I want to show you, these are by a company called Factory Reproductions. Yes, that is their name, Factory Reproductions. They make OEM-based design wheels, and these are obviously Z06 chrome replica wheels. And of course, you can see we've got the massive J57 high carbon ceramic brakes for the Z07 track package. And as you can see, they have recoated these brakes in blue. So no longer are you limited to the carbon 65 or ZR1 to get blue calipers. So this Corvette has it. It's also meted up with a beautiful set of the Michelin Pilot Sport all-season tires. We got the Stage 1 aero. Of course, we got the carbon flash side skirts on the side. The normal Grand Sport body color accenting in the inlet vents. The windows on this Corvette are tinted. If that's an issue in your state, they can be removed. And as we make our way to the back, you can see, of course, the red tail lights offsetting the difference from the Z06 clear, chrome badging, and of course, the beautiful MPP multi-mode exhaust tips. All right, to the trunk area. So you can see, obviously, we got plenty of storage space here. Like I said, we just got it in. So as you can see, we've got all our cargo nets, shades. We do have the foamies for the Z07 brakes and plenty of storage space to go around. But as we look in here, you can look towards the seats. You might notice a little bit of blue in them seats. So like I said, we will get to that as we make our way around. But again, this being a 17, of course, if you want to close the door up, give a little push, slow close feature. All right, on to the interior. So 2 LT, so we got our jet black Moulin leather with our gray stitching here, 10-speaker Bose premium sound, and then we have essentially a hydro-dipped instrument cluster cover, very similar to where the carbon fiber interior package would sit, but it is not considered carbon fiber. It's kind of this checker pattern in a hydro-dipped setup. I like it. I think it's actually very good looking. We got a little blue accenting to go with it. And of course, we got a little blue graphic there for the Grand Sport, like you see in the Collector Edition. Of course, Chevrolet MyLake infotainment with navigation and PDR with blue accenting on all the analog controls there. It is an automatic. You see we got more blue on the mode selector there. And then, of course, we get to the seats, and we have the custom blue microfiber seat inserts. Check that out. So instead of the normal light gray black, you have in blue. So that is obviously custom done, but again, I think it was done pretty well. Obviously, everybody's gonna have their own opinions, but I think that was very tasteful. Just enough blue to break up the accenting on the interior, and you don't get a blue like that from factory. Now, as I open up our engine bay here, I wonder if I should do the scroll music, or would that get us demonetized? I don't know, but let's go ahead and open it up, and go ahead in your head, start singing the Star Wars theme. As you can see, we've got Lord Vader there with some TIE fighters and X-Wings battling each other there with some Starfield. And we have, of course, the infamous scene from The Empire Strikes Back with Luke, or actually, you know what? That might be Return of the Jedi, because that might be in the Death Star. But either way, it's Luke versus Anakin, obviously Darth Vader, and some stars. This has obviously all been custom done by a Star Wars fan. So I myself am big into sci-fi, so of course I know Star Wars, I'm very familiar with it. But again, this is definitely a fan service in this car. If you're into this, you will love it. If you're not, again, the insulation and that cover can be changed out, so it's not a big deal. But if you are, I mean, you have to appreciate the artwork that had gone into it. It's also got, of course, the visible carbon fiber valve covers, which that's actually a real nice upgrade, because those are not cheap. And of course, we do have K&N drop-in air filter there in the stock air box. And of course, it being a Grand Sport, it has the FE7 magnetic select ride suspension setup, obviously for the Z07 track package, and they are a dry-sump 6.2 liter, 376 cubic inches with 460 horsepower. Engine-wise, minus the cosmetics, it is bone stock. This 2017 Grand Sport is 2-owner clean Carfax at 41,798 miles at check, and we got it priced at $52,995. So the rehash, 17 2LT Z07 package, Grand Sport Coupe, automatic, aftermarket replica, chrome Z06 style wheels. Of course, you got the massive J57 brakes there with the custom blue painted calipers. Blue suede seat inserts, interior accents with the hydro-dipped instrument cluster, and of course the custom Star Wars engine bay car show display going on. If you are interested in this beautiful Grand Sport or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this beautiful customized Corvette. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.